the incredible opportunity to be able to have our Robodrill in Air Turbine's booth. The partnership with Air Turbine and Fanuc started probably 2 decades ago.
Okay.
We brought the product in because we ran into a limit on our RPM capabilities. In a Robodrill, our maximum RPM right now is 24,000 RPM.
It's a very nice RPM.
But a lot of people are starting to make parts and components with much smaller tools.
Yeah.
We ran into a situation where we just didn't have enough RPM in the machine to be able to meet these customers' needs.
Yeah.
So when I found the partnership, or developed the partnership with Air Turbine, what we were able to do is reach beyond where the Fanuc Robodrill can go. Its speed, its performance, its reliability were all really well known in the industry, but what was also well known is the ability to max out only at 24K. So partnering with Air Turbine allowed us to go beyond that up to even 80,000 RPM today.
I really love this. I actually didn't know you guys have been in partnership for over 20 years.
Yeah.
I mean, when you're talking about tool changes, it's an industry-leading tool change speed on this machine.
It
the
is.
fact now that you can get up to 80K and you're using all the little micro tools, this machine now can become a dominating force in material removal rates for the machinists and the machine shops out there that are already using them. And so...
The game changer,
Yeah.
really the game changer became when I could tool change that spindle.
Okay.
So there was a couple other spindles that were out in the market, but they had cables or they had wires or they had air lines hooked up to them. And with a carousel style tool changer, we were unable to incorporate those and still utilize other tools. When I found out that Air Turbine could actually develop a tool where I could put it into our carousel, rotate it around, do all of the real fine precision machining that I needed to do, and then still go back into maximizing the spindle and utilizing heavier cuts and deeper cuts on other areas of the part, that's what made the difference.
You can find out more at airturbinetools.com and contact us for a consultation to increase your production rate.